contributed to the escalation of cost of renovation of the premises of 6 Flagstaff Road office and the residence of then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. From preliminary estimates of rupees 7.91 crore, work was awarded at 8 crore 62 lakhs in 2020, and when it was completed by the Public Works Department in 2022, the total cost was 33 crore 66 lakhs. And we're also in fact in detail playing out how much exactly which item costs that has been installed in the house. The CAG report reveals details of the artifacts, the amenities that have been provided in the Chief Minister's residence and what the cost of that is. Art piece in 24-carat gold leaf, and crores have been spent on that as well. Then you have the sheer curtain with fabric in the middle room, which has been placed again. Money has been slurged on that. 5,38,722 is what we're given to understand. Then the curtain with fabric in the living room costs 2,36,822 rupees. The curtain with fabric in the living room, another set of fabric, another set of curtains costs 3,26,366 rupees. Imagine lakhs and lakhs of rupee being spent only on the curtains. Let's talk about the middle bedroom now. The curtain with fabric here costs 2,32,330 rupees. And this is exactly what the Bharatiya Janata Party also has been highlighting to continuously hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, as the Delhi elections near, this issue is only intensifying. Remember, the Prime Minister also spoke about this in one of his address when he said, मैं गरीबों के लिए घर बनाता हूं, मैं चाहता तो अपने लिए भी शीश महल बना सकता था. And after the Prime Minister raked this issue, once again you see political face-off over the Sheesh Mahal between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the AAP. On your screens at the moment, we're playing out visuals of the house. This is how it looks from the inside, and on the right side of your screens are the details of the money that has been splurged, the money that has been spent. According to the CAG report, there has been a hike of 342.31% in the estimated cost in building, in renovating several parts of this house. We have a reaction coming in from Virendra Sachdeva. Listen in.
शीश महल बंगले पर सीएजी की जिस रिपोर्ट का हवाला लगातार दिया जा रहा है, उसमें तो मात्र 33 करोड़ 66 लाख का खर्चा बताया गया है, जो एक सिर्फ फिगर है, क्योंकि वो सीएजी रिपोर्ट 2022 तक जो खर्चा हुआ उसको इंगित कर रही है. और हमारी जानकारी के हिसाब से कई सारी चीज़ें छुपाई गई हैं आपके इशारे पर. और अभी 2023 और 2024 का खुलासा तो होना बाकी है.
चलो Now the BJP is mounting attack on Aam Aadmi Party regarding what they allege is Sheesh Mahal, the residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. BJP has come out with a model over here, and you can see that Virendra Sachdeva, BJP president, is showcasing this particular model, which they say is the corruption model of Arvind Kejriwal. And with the details of the CAG report coming in, with the details of PW inventory coming in, we see that how the BJP is attacking Arvind Kejriwal over the issues. Sir, CAG की जो रिपोर्ट आई है 33 करोड़ की जो उसमें बात की, लेकिन आपने कहा कि अगर PWD की इन्वेंट्री जोड़ दें तो 75 से 80 करोड़ का जो है पूरा मामला जाता है, और ये 2022 तक की ही रिपोर्ट है. एक बड़ा हमला आम आदमी पार्टी के ऊपर करा गया है बीजेपी के द्वारा, और ये मॉडल आप पूरा दिखा रहे हैं.
देखिए, ये मॉडल नहीं है, ये म्यूजियम है करप्शन का, अरविंद केजरीवाल का. उस कैग की रिपोर्ट में 139 क्वेश्चन तो ये पूछे गए हैं कि आपने परमिशन किससे ली है. उस कैग की रिपोर्ट में बार बार ये पूछा गया है कि आखिर जिस कैटेगरी को आप मैच नहीं करते, उस कैटेगरी से ऊपर के मकान में जाने की जरूरत क्या थी. फिर इस एक बंगले को बनाने के लिए 4 प्लॉट तोड़कर आपने नियमों का उल्लंघन क्यों किया? क्या जरूरत थी इस बंगले की? वर्क एस्टिमेट बिना किसी और उसके सैंक्शन के वर्क ऑर्डर बनाते गए और उसके सैंक्शन करते गए. किसने अधिकार दिए थे आपको? और पीडब्ल्यूडी के अधिकारी भी, क्योंकि उनको मोटा पैसा मिल रहा था, वो भी हाथ का इसको अलाउ करते गए. तो अभी जो 33.71 करोड़ का सीएजी की रिपोर्ट में आया है वो 2022 तक का है. अभी 23 और 24 का खुलासा होगा, और जो इन्वेंट्री पीडब्ल्यूडी ने दिखाई है कि वो इन्वेंट्री पीडब्ल्यूडी की नहीं है, तो वो सामान इस आलीशान महल में आया कहाँ से, इस शीश महल में आया कहाँ से, इस भ्रष्टाचारी महल में आया कहाँ से, उसका जवाब दें. तो हमने जो रफली आइडिया लगाया है कि ये खाली मामला 33 करोड़ का नहीं है, ये 75 से 80 करोड़ की लूट का मामला है जो अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिल्ली की जनता के टैक्स के पैसे को लूट के अपनी अय्याशी के लिए बनाया है।
अगर आपने एक बड़ी
All right, let's go across. Sagarika joining us from the newsroom with excerpts from the CAG report. Yes.
So, Swati, now this is the CAG report which the Bharatiya Janata Party is using to escalate the attack on the Aam Aadmi Party. And there's an inventory of items. Now, what does this latest CAG report go on to say? This latest CAG report goes on to put the spotlight on the escalation of costs. The initial estimation, like you also have been mentioning, Swati, in the year 2024, the renovation of Arvind Kejriwal's residence was about 7 crore rupees. The cost went up to 33 crore rupees, and as per the BJP, the overall cost could also be about 80 crore rupees, because they are claiming that these gold-plated fittings in the washrooms, they have all been taken away. Now, let me take you through some items that are mentioned in the inventory, Swati. Here they go on to say, so if just a few things that, you know, will raise some questions for anyone who goes through these details. The cost of the bathtub. The number of item obviously is 1. Now, the rate of the item as mentioned in the CAG inventory when it was audited in the year 2022 was about 3,21,167 rupees. So, here one bathtub in, 6 Flagstaff Road residence of Arvind Kejriwal was 3,21,167 rupees. That was the initial estimation. But what was the amount paid, which led to the overall estimation of the cost was, like we've been looking at these figures, was again 3,21,167 rupees. That was paid for the bathtub itself. Now, there are many other such things that were used. For example, making ornamental molding at a window chajja. The quantity of the item was 128.54. The rate of the item is 1,231, and the overall cost is over 15 lakh rupees. Now, making ornamental moldings at the veranda, the quantity of the item was about 38,000 as mentioned here, and the total overall cost went up to more than 36 lakh rupees. Then if you are also talking about extra for the difference in basic rate and superior quality of Burma teak wood, the escalation in the amount went up to more than 25 lakh rupees over here. So here these are some of the items mentioned in the inventory. Now, if you just look at the vanity that was used in the toilets, like say for example, vanity in the main bedroom toilet was more than 1,20,000 rupees. The vanity in the family lounge toilet costed about 96,000 rupees. The vanity when it comes to the toilets of other rooms went up to about 80,000 rupees. So this is the amount. This is just here. They are only talking about vanity in this annexure. Now let's tell you about what are the other items that are mentioned here. The cost of wardrobes in the master bedroom was more than 5 lakh rupees. That's mentioned here in the inventory. So here what they go on to say is these are items of superior specifications, artistic and antique items. This was all kind of ornamental work executed as extra items, and that is why there was a escalation in the cost as seen by the CAG when the audit was done.
All right, Sagarika, stay on with us. We also have Niyamika joining us on the broadcast. Niyamika, the BJP, of course, is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party ever since the Prime Minister raked up the issue. How is the Congress Party responding to this?
Well, if you remember, just a few days back, it was Sandeep Dixit, who is the Congress Party's candidate from the New Delhi constituency. He held a press conference in which he has mentioned about this CAG report. He had given all the details that how much money has been spent on the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and that is now coming out as that is the same CAG report is now being taken up on the part of the BJP as well. Earlier, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who had made this allegation against not just the Aam Aadmi Party, but also specifically talked about the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in which he has mentioned that he had built up a Sheesh Mahal for himself, and that the same thing has been repeated by the Congress Party as well. As when Times Now had spoken to Mr. Sandeep Dixit regarding this entire matter, he had also said that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had lived a life like an emperor. Even he has also given a statement in which he said that in fact till now no such emperor has also lived a life like Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was trying to live, being the Chief Minister of Delhi, as that is the only reason why all of these details are now coming out in open. The manner in which he had spent 3 times of, in fact 4 times of the tender which was being given for the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. 4 times more money has been spent for all the stuff which is being used at his residence, whether it is about the specific, if we talk about the mini bar which was being there, in fact,
Absolutely.
40 lakhs have been
Revelations
spent.
also coming to fore through the CAG report that Sagarika is sharing with us. Nyamika, stay on with us. Let me go back to her. Yes.
Yes, so Swati, like we've been telling you, it's about the escalation in the cost and why did this escalation happen? As mentioned here, initially some items that were decided, okay, this will be used in the renovation work and this will be put in the house. First, a cost was agreed upon and then there was a dramatic escalation. So let me just give you an example of the wall tiles. Now, it was decided that marble stone will be used for the walls. The initial agreed cost, if you look at it, is about 2,88,172 rupees. So the agreed cost is 2,88,172 rupees. But then it was decided, no, we need to substitute the material. We will use marble of higher quality. For that, the cost went up to 6,689,222 rupees, and the extra payment of 4.60 lakh was made. So these are small things, like say for example wall tiles, then you look at floor tiles, then you look at brass lever handles of Yale make, first class teak or Burma teak. Initially one cost was agreed upon, then there was a massive escalation. So the substitute item cost, when it comes to say Burma teak, first it was decided, okay, we will use teak worth rupees 1 lakh, 87,000 rupees, we'll use this much. This is the cost of the teak that we are going to use. But then the substituted item comes in and that leads to the escalation of cost.
All right. So the CAG report reveals how there was an escalation in the cost. Let me go back to Nyamika once again. The political fight for sure is intensifying, Nyamika, and the Congress, which is an ally of the Aam Aadmi Party in the INDI bloc, has also now sent this ultimatum or a warning of sorts, and they now want AAP's ouster.
Well, indeed, it was a demand which was being raised by the Congress spokesperson Shama Mohammed, in which she has mentioned and tweeted about a video which went viral on social media about the statement which was being given by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. She had demanded that the Aam Aadmi Party should be thrown out of the India bloc. The manner in which they are making statements against the Congress party in particular, the manner in which the ultimatum was being given. But if we talk about the CAG report in particular, then it was Sandeep Dixit who is contesting these assembly elections against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency. He was the first person who had taken out all the details of this CAG report, the money which is being spent on the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and for that reason he had also mentioned that on one side he used to portray himself as an Aam Aadmi, but on the other side it is crores of rupees which has been
the allegation
spent
is that he
on
was living like an emperor. That's what Sandeep Dixit has alleged. Stay on with us, Nyamika. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Amid this showdown over the CAG report, Aam Aadmi